So today we're going to learn how to create a line graph using Create a Graph. So I am at the Create a Graph website right now. I'm going to click on Line Graph. And I'm going to click on Data. I am going to give my graph a title. You're going to follow directions on your sheet. Mine's already here. My x-axis label is going to be time in days. My y-axis label is going to be size of air bubble in millimeters. My data set is going to be 6 items and 6 groups. Okay, and when I want to label my groups, I'm going to label them by their concentrations. So I already did this before, so it's just going to pop up for me. 0% molasses, 5% molasses, 10% molasses, 15% molasses, 20% molasses, and 25% molasses. I'm going to make a shape for each one of my points on the graph, and there are not 6 different ones, so you kind of have to pick a couple that are going to be the same. I'm going to give this last one a square. Your item labels are going to be your days, so day 0, day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. And again, this isn't going to fill in automatically on your computer. It just happens to for me because I've already done this once. And I'm just going to fill in all my values, except for this one that I missed. Good job, Burger. 20, 26. You're getting this from the data table that you already created. And we're almost done here. Okay, my minimum value I'm going to choose to be 0. And I want to pick for my maximum value something in the tens place, but near my largest value. So in my case, it's 40. Yours might be higher or lower. You may have 30, 50, 60, 20, or something like that. So now we're going to go over to labels, and we are going to say, no, do not show labels, because it ends up putting numbers on your graph, and it makes it really difficult to read. Do not mess around with the font. Do not mess around with the font. And if you click here, here's a preview of my graph. It's so beautiful, it's so gorgeous, it's awesome. So we're going to go over to Print Save. And we're going to click on Download. We're going to choose the JPEG format, and we're going to hit Download. And here's my graph like so. Now I want to put it into my lab report, and my lab report exists in my Google Docs. So I'm going to go to my Google Docs. And I'm going to get my yeast lab. Burger yeast lab. Now I'm going to be able to copy, oh, this is already there, but let me show you how we could do this. So you have your image here. You can just take it and drag it in. And that's how you can get your graph on there. Okay, and if you have any questions, you can ask me.